Okay, we're on to quiz number 5, module 2.4, nouns. There's only 5 questions, so I'll go ahead and read each question aloud and all the possible answers, and I'll pause for a few moments to let you try and figure out what the correct answer is. If you need more time, just go ahead and pause the video. All right, let's get started. Number 1, which of the following are singular nouns with an article? Choose all answers that apply. A. Il ragazzo. B. I ragazzi. C. Un'amica. D. Le amiche. E. Gli amici. F. L'amico. Okay, so the correct answers were A, C, and F. If the article preceding the noun is singular, il, la, le apostrofo, lo, un, una, un apostrofo, or uno, the noun is singular. As a reminder, if the noun ends in an O or A, it's generally singular. Of course, there are exceptions, in which case you can usually tell if it's singular or plural by looking at the article if there is one. Number 2, which of the following are plural nouns with an article? Choose all answers that apply. A. Il ragazzo. B. I ragazzi. C. Un'amica. D. Le amiche. E. Gli amici. Or F. L'amico. Okay, so the answers in this one are B, D, and E. If the article preceding the noun is plural, E, le, li, the noun is plural. As a reminder, if the noun ends in E or A, it's generally plural. Of course, there are exceptions, in which case you can usually tell if it's singular or plural by looking at the article if there is one. Number 3, which of the following is incorrect? Choose only one best answer. A. Il libro. B. La casa. C. Un ragazzi. D. L'amica. Okay, the correct answer, or the incorrect answer in this case, was C. Un ragazzi is incorrect since un can only be used with singular nouns. Ragazzi is a plural noun. You can tell because it ends with an E. Number 4, which of the following is correct? Be careful, this one is difficult. You may want to go back and review the previous lesson on articles if you're unsure. Choose only one best answer. A. I libro. B. Le casa. C. Le ragazzi. D. Un amico. E. Uno ragazzo. F. Gli amiche. Okay, letter D was the correct answer. Un amico is the only correct answer. All of the others are not correctly matched with the article preceding them. And number 5, which of the following is incorrect? Some of these are irregular in the plural, so please refer back to your first 20 nouns list if you're unsure. Choose only one best answer. A. Il bicchiere becomes I bicchieri. B. Il vino becomes le vine. C. La città becomes le città. D, il caffè becomes I caffè. E, la bottiglia becomes le bottiglie. F, l'uomo becomes gli uomini. Okay, so letter B was the incorrect one. So il vino should be I vini in the plural. Note that città and cafe do not change their endings, only their article changes in the plural. And note that uomo becomes uomini in the plural. Okay, so how did you do? If there are any that you had difficulty with, or maybe you didn't get the first time around, you can rewatch the video, or you can just go ahead and reread the explanations here. And I will just quickly scroll through them. So you can pause the video if you want to reread it. All right, great job.